Hi friends, I'm back. Today we're gonna read our storybook 5-minute Mickey Mouse Stories. And today's story that we are gonna be reading is ta ta ta, a sure cure for the hiccups. So Mickey Mouse started getting hiccups. Can you imagine how would it be if you are getting hiccups? Wouldn't it be like little bit like I'm not comfortable with all these hiccups? So one day when Mickey Mouse had a paintbrush and he's supposed to paint the whole fence, okay, as you can see from left to right, he started getting hiccups. And every time he took up the brush and tried to paint, hiccup. And so the paint will get splashed all over the place. And he had Pluto with him, and Pluto was very Pluto was very worried. Then what happened? Minnie Mouse came and asked Mickey, what's going on? And then Mickey's like, Minnie, I am not able to speak. And Minnie Mouse was also very concerned. Mickey, how did you get yourself all these hiccups? And Mickey's like, can you please help me? And Minnie said, sure thing. So Minnie took Mickey into her home and basically said, Mickey, why don't you grab a seat? And then she quickly went, took the water out of the tap, and gave the glass of water to Mickey and say, Mickey, now you take 5 sips of this water slowly and steadily and your hiccups will vanish. And Mickey was excited. He said, sure, Minnie. And then he took the glass and took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then what happened? Minnie said, Mickey, are you okay? Mickey said, I feel bad. Uh-oh. So, it was a nice try, but that did not help our lovely Mickey Mouse. Then what happens? Let's see what happens next. And then all of a sudden, as Mickey and Minnie were talking in Minnie's house, who came up? Tan, 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 tan. It's Daisy Duck. Daisy Duck came over there because Mickey and Daisy were supposed to go for a walk. That was their daily routine. And then Minnie and Mickey explained to Daisy that Mickey is having hiccups all day so far. And there is nothing that they have been able to do so that it goes away. So Daisy said, I have an idea too. Daisy said, Mickey, it's time for you to do the Daisy Duck hiccup-free dance. And then she showed him the steps that you were supposed to twirl, and then you were supposed to jump up and do a couple of side kicks, and then tumble, and then spin, and the hiccups would go away. So Mickey followed Daisy, as you can see over here. And Minnie was watching. Dun, dun, dun. And what happened after the dance, after that workout? Do you think the hiccups went away? Let's see. Apparently, it did not go away. So now Daisy and Minnie and Mickey were all worried what to do now. So then they decided to go to whose house? Whose house? Yes. They all decided to go to Donald Duck's house and said, maybe Donald will have a cure. Quack, quack. And then they all started. Daisy and Minnie were very fast in walking. Because Mickey was having hiccups, he was very slow. But slowly, they reached Donald's house. Let's see what happens at Donald's house. And then because Daisy and Minnie were already there, and when Mickey arrived, Donald came out of the swing and jumped onto Mickey's side and scared Mickey, and Mickey was like, "Whoa, what is happening?" Mickey got scared, but then Donald came out and said, "Mickey, I know you got hiccups, so I was trying to scare your hiccups away." Oh, Lord. And then Minnie and Daisy and Donald have a consultation to see, even that trick did not help. So then they say, what else can we do to help our dear friend Mickey? Oh, my clips, help me. Then we go to the next page and they continued with lot of different ideas, as you can see over here. They asked Mickey to stand on his hands upside down. Even that did not help. They asked him to start singing a song and start jumping on the skipping ropes. That did not help either. The hiccups did not go away. And then they all came again together and say, what can we do for Mickey? And Mickey was sitting on the swing and he was so sad. He was about to cry, basically. What to do? And right there, Donald came with a sack. And he was like a tricky sack. And now let's see what happens. And then Donald came out with a sack. And Donald took the blocks out of it. Right, as you can see, it had a cube and a cylinder and a cone. And then he put it on his belt and tried to balance it. And making all the musical noise. And then basically Minnie and Daisy got out the hoops and they put it on Donald Duck's hands as he was trying to balance. And that made Mickey laugh like so much, and he was so and all his friends all started laughing. But what happened at the end of their laughter? It apparently turns out that Mickey's hiccups were gone. And so all his friends were super happy. They clapped, they rejoiced. So basically, what is the best medicine for hiccups? You got it right. The answer is laughter. And that's what Mickey said. Laughter is the best medicine for hiccups. It is the sure cure for the hiccups. And then they were all happy and they played together for the rest of the day. And they had good time. Hope you like the story too. Okay, if you like the story, share it with all your friends. Hit the like button, hit the share button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell. So next time I read the story, you're right there. Okay, until next time, bye.